Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cut out an object from an image in Photoshop. I already have opened an image in my stage of Photoshop. In left hand side you see a phone image. We will cut it out from the original photo. So let's begin. I'm zooming in and select the pen tool. Further zoom. I'll draw the path around the phone. I already showed you in different video how to draw path and how to make selection with pen tool. Pen tool is very essential to make the proper selection. There is other way to make selection, but they are not sufficient in some cases. But pen tool is most effective and professional way to make selection. Pen tool sometimes takes little time than other automated option, but pen tool gives you the best result. I'm drawing the path around the phone. The path is completed around the phone. Now I'm right clicking and make selection. Then okay, the selection is taken place. Now I can move this. Now I can cut it out or move to another place, or maybe move to a totally different window. Let's move this phone to different area. Like I'm putting this in area. Or I can take a new document and move to this phone, the document. This is how thing works. Okay, suppose I don't want to keep this phone in this document. As the phone is selected, I can delete simply from keyboard. Just press the delete button and this is deleted. And there is a blank area in this image which is not looking good. I want to fill it out so that it should look like a complete image. From the selection tool, I'm making a little rectangular selection. Then Ctrl T from the keyboard. Then drag the area, and it is. You see the no more phone in the original photo. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.